Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. You know, Bangladesh is a small country. The land area of Bangladesh 1,47,570 square kilometer. According to the area of Bangladesh, it has large population. The increasing population creates problems on food, transport, healthcare, education, etc. Bangladesh is ranked 8th in the world in terms of population. My dear students, according to this chapter, you have known we have two types of family in our society: large family and small family. Large family have so many members and they living togetherly in our house. For this reason, they may not get enough food, education, healthcare, etc. We can say they may not get their basic needs properly. On the other side, the small family, they have few members. They living togetherly in a house and they may get enough food, clothes, education, healthcare, etc. We can say they may get their basic needs or they may fulfill their basic needs properly. So, just as there are problems for families with too many people, when too many people living in a country, that is called population explosion. And population explosion is not good for any country. Overpopulation creates so many problems. It creates pressure on limited transport. For this reason, extra passengers have to carry buses, trains and launches, etc. And for this reason, so many accidents may occur. On the other side, overpopulation creates so many dirt and waste, and it creates polluted environment. So my dear students, after listening my discussion, you have already understood or you have already remembered your previous lesson. I am going to discuss with you today a new topic from this chapter. Can you tell the chapter name? Yes, my dear, the chapter name is The Population of Bangladesh. So my dear, let's start the class.
My dear students, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur-e-Jannat. I am your BGST teacher of class 3. Before starting the class, get ready with your BGST book, copy and pen. Are you ready, my dear? I know you are ready for the class and you will do the class attentively. Yes, my dear? Okay, let's start the class. At first, previous lesson. Now, I'm going to ask you some question from your previous lesson. Do you remember what is our previous lesson? Yes, my dear. Broad question answer. If you give me the answer properly, then it will be assured me you have learned your lesson attentively. So, are you ready, my dear? Okay, let's start. Let's see the first question. How does overpopulation affect on transport? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. Yes, my dear. So many students raises their hand. Okay, you stand up and tell the answer. Very good, Baba. Very good. I got your answer and you have given your answer properly. And I have understood you have learned your lesson perfectly. So my dear, let's match your answer with my answer. Let's see the answer. Okay. Here is the answer. Overpopulation creates pressure on limited transport. When there are too many people, it will affect the transport system. These are: it takes longer time to reach the destination. When buses, trains and boats are overcrowded, it can be dangerous. Accident may happen if too many people get on a bus, train, boats, etc. Crowds increase on roads and communication become difficult for the people. Extra passengers have to be carried in buses, trains and launches. It will create traffic jam. So thank you, my dear, for this answer. Let's see the next question. And question number 2 is, what problems does the large family face? Yes, this is the most easiest question. Who can tell me? Yes, my dear, so many students raises their hand. Among them, I have to choose. Yes, you, stand up. Tell the answer. Very good, Baba. Very good. You have given your answer properly. And I have understood you have learned your lesson. Very good, Baba. Sit down. So, let's see the answer together. Okay. Here is the answer. Large family may face many problems. The members of a large family may not get enough healthy food. They may not have enough clothes. Their housing may not be big enough. They may not get enough sleep and rest. They may not have books and pencils for school. They have problems with their waste and population. They may not get proper treatment. So, thank you, my dear, and I have understood you have learned your lesson properly, perfectly, attentively. So, who have given the answer correctly, they will get a big star from my side. Now, I am going to discuss with you learning objectives. After finishing my class, students will able to say about the population of Bangladesh and the effects of population on environment, family, education, housing, transport, etc. Now I am going to start our today's topic. At first, write down the CW number. And today's CW number is 23. Chapter number is 12. And the chapter name is The Population of Bangladesh. And today's topic is competency based question. Shortly we can say CBQ. So my dear students, you know what is CBQ already, isn't it? Okay, my dear. But I want to discuss about this topic again. In CBQ, first you will get summary, passage, statement or story. By reading this passage, you will get the idea about the question of CBQ. So my dear students, let's see the question of today's CBQ. Here is the question. Can you see properly? Okay, my dear. From today's lesson, you will learn about CBQ. I have told you already, isn't it? And you will learn CBQ of chapter 12. And in this CBQ, how will you write? And in CBQ, you will get more than 2 questions. And you have to write this question answer in a para. So my dear students, let's read the question. In size of population, Bangladesh is 8th in the world. So there are problems for a country with too many people. More people need more housing. What is population explosion? What is the effect of large population? Write down the 2 main problems of overpopulation. So my dear, we have got already 3 questions from this CBQ. So my dear students, let's discuss the CBQ. Okay. In this picture, what can we see, my dear? Yes, my dear. In the first picture, we can see so many people with overcrowded road. Vehicles cannot move properly. For this reason, traffic jam occurred here. In second picture, we can see excess passengers carried by train. It may occur accidents. After seeing the pictures, which thing we found here? Yes, my dear, you are right. We found here overpopulation or population explosion. So, can you remember what was the first question of CBQ? Yes, my dear. The first question is, what is population explosion? Okay, my dear, let's see the answer. If the population of a country is excessive in comparison to its total area, it is called population explosion. So we can say when there are too many people in a country, it is called population explosion. I hope you have understood what is population explosion. So my dear, in this picture, what can we see? Yes, my dear, overcrowded vehicles, and these vehicles are carried extra passengers. Why this situation occurred? Can you tell? Yes, my dear, overpopulation creates pressure on transport also. So we can say this is the effect of overpopulation on transport. So, what is the question? Second question. Yes, my dear. The second question is, what is the effect of large population? So, let's see the answer. Large population creates many problems. Its effects on transport, housing, environment and healthcare. It creates pressure on the limited transport. Due to the shortage of transport, roads, streets become overcrowded. Buses, trains, launches have to carry excess passengers, which increase the risk of accidents. If population is large, then the country faces many problems. There are crowds everywhere, in the market, street, transport. It is also effect on environment. So, large population has a great impact of our life. So, my dear, I hope you understood how can you write these question answers. Okay. So, in these pictures, which thing we are observing, Baba? Yes, my dear, we can see here polluted environment. Why our environment is polluted? Can you tell? Yes, my dear, overpopulation creates so many dirt and waste. That's why this dirt and waste polluted our environment. More people need more housing. That's why poor people build slums beside the roads. People living in slums, they don't have enough facilities. They throw rubbish here and there. In this way, our environment more polluted day by day. So, can you remember the third question? Yes, my dear. The third question is, write down the two main problems of overpopulation. So, let's see the answer. Overpopulation causes two main problems. It creates more dirt and waste. Polluted environment creates different types of illness and diseases. Housing problems occurs. Many people need more housing. So, they build houses on the farmland and cut down the trees. They build slums on open space beside the roads. So, we can say that overpopulation is the main problem for our country. Till now, I am discussing the 3 questions of today's CBQ. Now, we will see how can you write these questions togetherly. So, my dear, let's see the question answers togetherly and read with me. Okay, my dear? If the population of a country is excessive in comparison to its total area, it is called population explosion. So, we can say when there are too many people in a country, it is called population explosion. Large population creates many problems. It affects on transport, housing, environment and healthcare. It creates pressure on the limited transports. Due to the shortage of transports, roads and streets become overcrowded. Buses, trains, launches have to carry excess passengers, which increase the risk of accidents. If population is large, then the country faces many problems. There are crowds everywhere, in the market, street, transport. It is also effect on environment. So, large population has a great impact of our life. Overpopulation causes two main problems. It creates more dirt and waste. Polluted environments creates different types of illness and diseases. Housing problems occurs. Many people need more housing. So, they build houses on the farmland and cut down the trees. They build slums on open space beside the roads. So, we can say that overpopulation is the main problem for our country. So, have you seen, my dear, the answer? How can you write the answers of CBQ in your copy? I have maintained here para and serially I have written the answer. So, my dear, I think you should follow my ways. How can I write this answer here. And remember, you should maintain in a para. Okay, my dear? Okay, now feedback time. Now I am going to ask you some question from today's topic. If you give me the answer properly, it will be assured me you have learned today's topic perfectly. Okay, my dear? So are you ready? Let's see the first question. Very easiest question. What is population explosion? Yes, my dear, can you tell? Yes, Baba, you. Tell the answer. Very good. Your answer is correct. So, let's see the answer. The answer is, if the population of a country is excessive in comparison to its total area, it is called population explosion. So, we can say when there are too many people in a country, it is called population explosion. Very good. You will get star from our side. Okay, my dear, sit down. Now, next question. In which type of family the needs of all cannot be met? Very easiest question. And this question is related with today's topic. Very good, Baba. I have got your answer. Let's see the answer. The answer is, large family cannot meet the needs of all the members of the family. Very good, Baba. Now, third question. Who can tell me? Okay, the third question is, write down the two main problems of overpopulation. Who can tell me, Baba? Raise their hand. Okay, you stand up and tell the answer. Very good, my dear students. Your answer is correct. So let's see the answer. If population is large, then the country faces many problems. Among them, the most important problem is it creates more dirt and waste. This pollutes the environment. Polluted environment creates different types of illness and diseases. So, my dear, you have given this question answer perfectly. So, I have understood you have got the lesson properly. Okay, my dear, let's see the today's homework. Learn CBQ from chapter 12. Again, I am telling, learn CBQ from chapter 12. Very easiest homework, isn't it? So, my dear, what we have learned today? Yes, the population of Bangladesh chapter. And we have learned CBQ. So, we can say shortly, the population of Bangladesh is excessive comparison to its land area. The number of people residing in this small area of our country cannot be seen anywhere else in the world. According to the statistics of 2011, the population of our country is 14 crore 97 lakhs. Every day, the number of people is increasing, and this results in many problems. Overpopulation has negative impact that create many problems. To get a solution for this problem, everyone must come forward. So I hope you have understood the summary of this today's lesson properly.
My dear students, I hope you have enjoyed my class. Whatever I have discussed with you today, I hope you understand properly. After that, if you have any problems or any query in this topic, you can ask your teacher or you can take help from your book. So my dear, I want to say again, in CBQ you will get first a passage or a story. Then you will get the question. And you know every question will have different marks. And you have to write these answers according to the marks. When you will write the answer, you have to maintain para. I hope you understood today's topic properly. So my dear students, no more today. We will meet again with a new topic, with a new class. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay home, stay safe.